AI is reshaping industries, but nowhere more than I think in advertising and media, where we're actually seeing commercialization before our eyes. One of the biggest challenges that I see and experience, or frustrations, I would say, is in my media portfolio, there still remains an incredible lack of transparency.
So there is the user experience aspect of transparency and how that comes back into play with the different products and services you're building when you're engaging with the consumer. But then on the flip side, yes, the entire pipeline between media agency, publisher on transparency, the entire industry right now is really calling for complete transparency end to end, mostly for operational pipeline management.
We're working with a large entertainment client, and a big part of what we're doing is helping to enrich their first party data using Precise, allowing them to own and have greater visibility into their total inventory and how that they're providing that inventory to ad networks.
At Precise, again, we are focused in on proof-based data sets. So we work with only partners that we come in and actually vet all the different data sources that they're bringing to the table to show that they have the right privacy policy, permissions to use data. We go through and read their entire process of ingesting all that data to essentially then put it through a verified credential proof process.
Can you share a little bit more about how you're seeing that in like the local and niche media space with some of your clients?
We're seeing, and you're going to start hearing more and more about this, but like dynamic audience segment development. Who are your top 8 types of personas that you're going to then market towards? And then you're going to craft the right language to go market towards them. You're going to create the right creative to actually, engage with them on the right platforms. So we're now kind of entering another age where creator is a whole new mindset. And when brands and publishers and big platforms are clamoring for first party data, we're finding that influencers, content creators, athletes are doing the exact same thing. They could literally build an entire infrastructure and business platform using a lot of AI and agentic workflows and products and tools, very little support, and actually scale their own business as an athlete, their own business as an influencer, no matter where they go.
I think what you're saying about, owning your inventory and really investing in the inventory is where all publishers need to be going.